Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we talk points and miles, how to travel for free, how to travel for less. If that sounds like an interesting topic, please hit the like and subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to get future updates on my videos. Today we're going to be talking about the new Apple credit card that launched, or that was announced a couple of days ago with Tim Cook out in Apple's headquarters in Cupertino, California. Interesting, Apple decided to launch the credit card. We heard talk about this for a long time. They have actually partnered with Goldman Sachs as the issuer, and we heard this card was coming along for several months now, and it's now come to fruition. I want to tell you guys why, from a points and miles perspective, and if you're a points and miles collector and you're into travel hacking, why you probably should stay away from this card. Actually, no, you should stay away from this card, because this card really has nothing to do at all with points and miles. Apple has decided to launch this as a cashback credit card. You're going to be earning 3x back on any Apple purchases you make. You'll be earning 2x back anytime you use Apple Pay. So if you're at the grocery store, or you're at any store and Apple Pay is accepted, you'll get 2x back when you use your phone as Apple Pay. You'll earn 1x back for all other purchases. So your only bonus categories are purchases made directly through Apple and via the Apple Pay app. There are no other bonus categories. So, and it's cashback only. Where Apple has actually made a splash, or if you want to call it that, is that you're getting instant rewards. Basically, as soon as you swipe that card, or as soon as you charge something using the Apple Pay app or buy from Apple, your cash rewards are deposited instantly back to you. So that's the only slight positive I can take from the Apple Rewards earning structure. But when it comes to points and miles, this is not a travel credit card. So if you're an enthusiast, a travel enthusiast that collects points and miles, my opinion, stay away from this card. It's not going to help you. It does come, there is the actual physical card. It's quite beautiful, actually. It's white, it's made of titanium, so it's a very high quality material. So if you find yourself swiping the card, you might look cool, but it's not, the card doesn't get me excited, other than the fact that Apple may have touched upon something, a trend where your rewards, your cashback rewards, are deposited instantly. If that sounds nice to you or interesting to you, then this is a card worth considering. If you're someone that really likes instant gratification, then this card might be for you, where your rewards will be available immediately to use. But you know, I personally don't care when I get my rewards. As long as I get them within 30 days of me making the purchase, or when the statement prints, I'm okay with that. But I'm looking to maximize points and miles, and this card does not do that. So I'm going to be staying away from this card, at least for now. And unless some other change or some other drastic improvement comes along with this card that makes it worthwhile for the points and miles enthusiast, or some travel benefit is added. Actually, what I would like to have seen from Apple is phone insurance. I was expecting some type of cell phone protection plan if you own an Apple phone, or if you finance an Apple purchase. I was expecting, maybe like other people, I was expecting to see some type of iPhone protection, and disappointing that was not there. In my opinion, you can get better cashback rewards elsewhere. You can get 2% back if cashback is what you're after. You can get 2% back with a Citi Double Cash card on any purchase, regardless of category. If you're someone that buys a lot of products through Apple quite regularly, if you see yourself spending thousands of dollars through Apple, then that 3% that you get through Apple might make a difference, but I would steer clear. My personal opinion is this card is going to be a wildly huge hit, simply because Apple has the most loyal customer base of any company that I know of. If you look at their retail stores, their retail stores are the envy of the retail business, being that they actually generate more revenue per square foot than any other retailer. I mean, think about that. All the retailers you can think of, Macy's, Bloomingdale's, Old Navy, Apple generates more revenue per square foot of store space than probably a lot of them combined. So they have a lot. So in that regard, I think this card is going to be a huge hit among Apple loyalists. But as for me and my travel aspirations and your travel aspirations, I'm going to stay away from this card. And if you're into points and miles, you probably should stay away from this card also. Guys, thanks for watching. I know this is an awkward setting. I'm in my car, but I've been working a lot. I've been on the road a lot seeing clients, but I wanted to get this video in sooner rather than later. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you're going to be getting this card in the comment section below. Are you going to get this card? Why are you going to get this card? Leave that in the comments section below. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Be well. Take care.